Do you like emojis? How would you like to make money just by clicking them? What if I tell you that just by clicking emojis, you can make hundreds of dollars? You might think, are you for real? You can get paid just by clicking emojis? Well, technically, yes. One click can earn you around $25. Imagine how much you earn with 10 clicks. In fact, there are no limits to how much emojis you can click in a day. That can generate a nice passive income for you wherever you are. In fact, you can even do this on your smartphone alone. Sweet, right? As usual, I'll let you know what you need to know in order to make this work for you so you can start earning money without breaking a sweat. I've probably mentioned this already, but all you need is a smartphone and internet connection. Of course, a PC has more advantages, but it's not entirely required for this process. No expensive registrations, tools, or special expertise needed. Even a high school student can do this. So make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss out on any valuable detail that I'm going to share with you guys. Before anything else, I would like to welcome you to the OMG channel if it's your first time here. I'm really glad you're tuned in right now. I'm your online money girl, and I teach people all over the world the best and newest ways to make money online. I'd love to know what you think of my videos, so please give a thumbs up if you find them valuable and let me know in the comments if there are some money-making methods you would like us to feature. While you're at it, why don't you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell icon so you'll always be updated with the latest money-making trends. So, let me now start explaining how this whole thing works. It's a specific process, so please watch closely until the end so you can absorb as much information as you can. This is a legit money-making idea. The first website you want to go to is flaticon.com. That's flat and icon put together. Flaticon is a website-based platform where millions of vector icons and stickers can be downloaded for free. In fact, they claim to be the largest database of free customizable icons and stickers in the world. It is easy to use on mobile as well as on the web. Signing up takes no time because you can just link it with your Google or Facebook account in literally just one click. If you prefer not to and just go with the usual registration, that's fine too. It only takes less than a minute. Once you're inside, scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for Patterns Generator. This is how it should look like. On the left side, you'll find all sorts of emojis and icons, even the ones you couldn't think of. They range from simple smileys to social media logos to ancient Egypt elements. The possible combinations are endless. Choose any emoji, sticker, or icon you want. If you haven't figured it out yet, we're basically creating a pattern. It would be a plus if you have an eye for design, but this task does not require you to have some expertise or background in graphic design at all. You can just play around with the emojis, make it smaller, bigger, tweak the colors, duplicate or mirror them, and even move them around until you're satisfied with the pattern you've created. You can also combine emojis from different groups. Like I said, the possibilities are literally endless. You also have the freedom to change the color and opacity of the background from a wide selection of colors. Once you have a design that you're content with, Flaticon gives you 4 formatting options, but PNG is most recommended. An important thing to take note is that your specs should exactly be what you can see on the screen. Tile size should be 350, image size should be 700, and aspect ratio should be 350. I believe those are the default numbers from Flaticon, but in case you're seeing a different set of numbers on your display, this guide will come in handy. On the lower left side, a thumbnail of the pattern you created will be shown so you have an idea what the final output would look like. Once you're satisfied with it, you can download the pattern, just click the button below the thumbnail, and after that, you've officially created and downloaded a pattern that you designed on your own. And what's best is you can rinse and repeat the process. There's absolutely no limit for the number of designs and patterns that you can create. And if you're running low on creative juices, you can try clicking the random pattern button. It's still on the lower left side of the screen where you create your designs. This will generate a random mix of icons, stickers, and emojis. From there, you can customize the design, mix and match, play around with the sizes, or simply get inspiration. You can easily start over by hitting the clear button on the lower right. I said it before, you can create as many designs as you want if your creative juices are overflowing. Make sure to download every design that you create because that's, of course, the key to making money in this process. Now, before I tell you how you can make money with the designs you've made yourself, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you think about it. I'd love to know your thoughts, and it inspires me to share more money-making tips to help you earn money in the comforts of your home. Now, let's get back to business. I'd now like to direct you to a website called 99designs.com. It is a global creative platform that makes it easy for clients and designers to work together online. This is where you can upload the designs and patterns that you made earlier in Flaticon. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you would want to click on Become a Designer. That's under the resources list. On the next page, you'll find an Apply Now button. Hit that and select the I'm a Designer button. Then, fill out the needed details. This will enable you to become a part of the 99 Designs pool of freelance designers and basically sell your creations. Once you're approved, that's when you can upload the patterns you made and start selling. Since you have unlimited designs generated in Flaticon, you can also upload as many as you want in 99 Designs. Of course, I always give at least one bonus tip in every video. So let me tell you another way that you can earn from the designs you make. That's why it's always good to watch till the end so you don't miss out on the good stuff, huh? Anyway, today's bonus website is Fiverr.com. That's Fiverr.com. This is an online marketplace for freelance services. This website provides a platform for freelancers to offer services to customers worldwide. Fiverr also allows listing and applying for small one-off jobs or gigs online. To start, sign up to become a seller. You'll find the button at the top right of the page. You can either provide your email or simply link your existing Google, Facebook, or Apple account. On the homepage, you can see they have so many offers, but I'd like you to click the first tab, the Graphics and Design tab, and then go to Illustration. From there, you can upload your original designs just like the other freelancers on this website. It's also great to know that you can upload the exact same design on both 99 Design and Fiverr. That's how you can maximize your earnings by getting more eyes to look at your creation. You can simply grow your portfolio by creating more patterns and uploading the designs on the website of your choice, or both. It makes a pretty nice side gig that you can totally start right now. If you found value in this video, I'd really appreciate it if you hit like and comment below what you find most helpful. If you have any suggestions on what kind of online money generating videos you want to see on the OMG channel, those are very welcome too. If you simply love watching and learning how to earn money online, you would want to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell icon so as not to miss out on our latest uploads. I really appreciate you for watching until the end of the video. This is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you on the next money making video.